Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. How are you all are guys doing? I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. And past couple of days I've been thinking about uploading the videos but not getting some sort of time, and because of some other professional works which currently working, and due to which I am not able to upload the video. But yeah, for improvement I need to upload every single day, and that is most important part. And in my initial phase of English language journey, I just start uploaded video every single day. But after getting some sort of confidence to speak in English, I just taking it casually, and because of that I'm not speaking that much that I need to be, right? So this is the main reason. And if I talk about like coming up on the YouTube, is my first priority is speak English, speak on the English language, because I can speak Hindi as well. And most of the people say that why you are not speaking Hindi. If you are like speaking Hindi past couple of like 1 to 2 years, it can be a great channel, right? But I just came here to motivate people whosoever like want to speak in English language, and for that we need to start speaking from day with we think that we need to speak. So yeah, and for overall growth in terms of English language, we should need to at least do all four practices, such as like speaking, reading, writing and listening. These are all the things which is most important. If we are doing everyday practice and getting some sort of time out to improve and enhance the English skills, so we can basically within couple of months or like say years, we can see our improvement. But the improvement for the improvement we at least need to work every single day, because the day you missed the practices, and it will not going to basically practice for one single day. It will lead to basically 3 to 4 days, and after that your mind think why we are doing. So this is the major concerning thing for a lot of beginners who do actually this kind of mistakes. And I also face this kind of situation, but I try to write down the days where I'm lacking while doing the practice. And yeah, if I just keep working on the same goal and I do not have other things, like I didn't get distracted to other things, so yeah, my I can see like where I'm lacking. So that's why these are all the things important. And sometimes I just also want to I just also try to thinking out some what we say like topics where I can challenge myself to speak. And because I find sometimes easy to speak whatever in my mind. But if I talk about like in the topics which I randomly choose, but it's feel difficult for me, because searching out the words and situations is not easy sometimes. And so yeah, that is challenging. So we always need to keep challenge our self, because we do not know what's our limit is. That is the only mind who's like want to be ourselves just average. Just need to keep challenge ourselves. You never imagine like whatever the thing you didn't imagine that can happen. So just need to work hard and be consistently towards your work, because I never imagined that I can upload 700 videos in the YouTube channel. I just think that I'm going to upload a video every single day, that is more than enough, because I just need to at least give time, at least 5 minutes to English practice, and that helps me a lot. So you can also take out some sort of time in your busy schedule. This is you will see a growth and improvement within couple of months. So I hope you see some sort of relevant thing in this video, and if you relate that, you can subscribe to the channel and like and share it to your friends who's over like learning English language. He can see like how I am improved and how I'm working. So that is it for today's video. Bye bye, have a good day.